I know this is tedious, but hopefully you haven't given up yet. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to take these wires, this thread or fishing line, if you will, and I have it going through this seed bead. So I'm going to have it go through, I'm going to make it go through the ring. Okay, so it's going out that way. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to pull these, whoops, and I'm going to untape this because I need to kind of be able to manage it. I'm going to pull, so this, you should be seeing this kind of in the middle, and I am pulling both of these sides, and you might need to pull these strings kind of one at a time to tighten them up. Do it on this side too, because I think you're going to see, I don't know if you saw that, but I just pulled on this and it just kind of brought this back down. And this one looks really loose right now, and that's because I need to go in here and I need to find the string that belongs to. And I'm going to pull on it, and you'll see it start to pop down. There it is, there it goes. So doing this individually is probably a pretty good idea, so make sure you do that on both sides. I did it on that side. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to try and do individually on this side. And you're going to see that just kind of start to tighten up. And if you pull on one you've already pulled on, that's okay. Better safe than sorry. So now your next step is going to be to go through the other seed bead. So right here, I'm going to bring this up to the camera so you can see how I kind of pulled to try and make this nice and tight. But I want you to notice that these strings right here are not going through that seed bead. We need to get them to go, all our strings to go through that seed bead. So I'm going to, you can try doing it all together again. And again, maybe I'm going to take my scissors, keep that pinched so it kind of creates one bundle. And let's see if I can do it. If I can make them go through there. Which I am not sure I'm going to be able to do. I may have to do them one at a time. Oh, yep, I think I'm going to have to do it one at a time. This one's a little more tedious. Okay, so there's one. And it's okay if you get one to go through the bead. That's okay, because a couple of these are going to end up going through that bead on the next step anyway, but you're going to need to have a couple that don't go through that bead. And that one did not go through the bead. So there's two. Find that opening. There's the third one. Right there. And then I have one more to get through there. And there it is. Okay. So that is your next step, to get all of those beads or all of those threads that you had on this side of the bead going through your crimping bead. So go ahead and do that, and then again, watch the next video.